Single leg stance on top of the wobble board is one of the highest level ankle stability and balance exercises that you can complete with this device. Simply start with 2-hand support, step up onto the pad with both feet. As you get your balance, attempt to try to lift one leg. As you get good, you might have to readjust your foot. So you might have to stand completely off. Put the side that you want to support in single leg stance right in the center of the pad. Then step up, balance, stabilize, and then attempt to let go. And then step back down. Completion of the balance exercises on the wobble pad are typically completed with about 30 seconds. You might need to work up to 30 seconds because you'll need upper extremity support or stepping off to recover your balance. The strengthening exercises, such as the lunges or the squats, will typically be completed in reps of 10 with 3 sets.